Hey guys, welcome back to Digit.in, and if you love clicking pictures from your smartphone and wish to upgrade to a DSLR, the form factor might be a little overwhelming for you. So instead today we thought we would list some great mirrorless camera options under the 60,000 rupee price point that you can consider. First up we have the Sony Alpha A6000. Now the Alpha A6000 is a few years old now, but it's still a good option. It has a 24 megapixel backside illuminated APS-C sensor, which is good for low light photography. You get an 11 frames per second burst mode and the autofocus performance is stellar. The camera is available for about 54,680 rupees on Amazon and about 44,989 rupees on Flipkart. Next up we have the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark II. The EM10 Mark II has a micro four thirds sensor which offers in-body image stabilization. It has a 16 megapixel sensor perfectly adequate even for poster size prints. You can buy the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark II on Amazon for about 57,990 rupees with the 1440 and 4150 mm lenses. Next up we have the Canon EOS M50. The latest offering from Canon lets you shoot in 4K. The M50 is incredibly compact and decently priced. Plus you get a camera backed by Canon's decades worth of image lineage. Currently the camera is priced at 59,450 rupees on Amazon, just a hair below our budget threshold. Last but not least, we have the Fujifilm X-A3. The Fujifilm X-A3 is definitely a very unique looking camera, blending the aesthetics of a rangefinder with a modern ergonomic layout. Even though it's an entry-level camera, it is incredibly lightweight with a 24 megapixel sensor and a 180-degree tilting touch-enabled LCD. All this along with the kit 16 to 50 mm lens can be had for 47,999 rupees from any one of the major retail electronic chains. So there you have it guys, that was our recommendation for the best mirrorless camera under 60,000 rupees. What do you think about this list? Comment down below and let us know, and don't forget to like and share this video, and as Jimmy Fallon says, if you subscribe to our channel, one of your enemies dies.